Hey, back on the mill. Alright, working this 5/4 boards out. Starting to get into the meat of it here. Little crack figure up here, which I was wondering why the logs are so large. Small little crack figure. Came out, but anyway. Crack figure and walnut is walnut, so we won't turn it down, but it looks like we can get a few more out of this girl. Getting into the 14 wide now. And these are some of the smaller logs. Got 6 inches left, so we'll get a few more out. And then we got to get back on these over here. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more to go here that are older stuff I hadn't cut before I got the new 25 over here. I'm working on it. Them too, but they're bigger. But these will be mostly boards and 5/4, so edge boards, true edge boards. So. But thanks for watching. Be right back and we'll finish this off.